Okay, so I thought it would be a lot of fun. Let's watch this pizza cook in the pizza oven at 720 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Let's check it out while it's cooking. In it goes. Hey Google, set timer 2 minutes.
Got it, 2 minutes. And that's starting now.
Okay, so let's check this out. Hey Google, how much time left on the timer?
T minus 1 minute and 19 seconds.
1 minute and 19 seconds left for our 2-minute cook. Hey Google, how much time left?
There's 59 seconds to go.
So it's been a minute, folks. It's been in there for 1 minute. Beautiful color already. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Hey Google, how much time left on the timer?
You've got 34 seconds left.
It's been a minute and a half. Timer's up. It's got to come out before it burns. Oh, look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this pizza. 2 minutes, folks. 2 minutes at 720 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you want the recipe for this pizza, I'll put a link in the description. It's my pizza as good as Napoli recipe, and you will be in for a treat because this pizza, folks, is going to be fantastic.